Know your country. So you know your country well? Yes. You remember the symbols, our country's symbols? Yes. Which is the animal of our country? Tiger. Flower? Flower? Lotus. Bird? Peacock. And what else was there? National flag. Yes. National? Which is that national symbol, you know? Which is it? Yes. And what about the national flag? Which are the three colors it has? Which is on top? And what is in the center? Blue. And what are those called? They are 24 when we count them. But what are those called? Remember I told you. Yes, there are. But what are they called? I told you. What are they called, these? What are they called? I told you. Who remembers? Hurry up. Yes, say it. Somebody said? You said it correct. There's a little bit wrong, which I'll tell you. You said na just now. Starts with which letter? Starts with which letter? S. And then? Right. S. Say. What do you say in English when we speak? Now what are these called? No. What is the past of speak? Like we have now? Very good. So what is it called? These are called spokes. Now you will remember, past tense of speak is spoke. And these are called spokes because there are many and you know how many. Isn't it? Now our country is very, very big. Yes. Have you looked at the map of our country? Map? Yes. Have you looked at our country's map in the world map? World map have you seen? Yes? You have seen the world map? Yes. So our country is this big. Yes. In the world map. Yes. So our country is quite big. Very big rather. You must have seen other countries also? Yes? Are they all very, very big? No. Some are small, some are little big, but our country is very big. Yes? So India is a very big country, isn't it? Yes. Now in India there are many, many villages. Yes? There are more villages than cities. You live in city. But some of your relatives, you know relatives? Rishtedar, yes. Relatives, what are they called in English? Relatives. What are they called? Yes. Relatives, they live where? In villages also. Yes? Have you been? How many of you have been to villages? You haven't been? Raise your hand. Quite a number of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, is the village same as the city? No. Lot of difference. Lot of difference or little difference? Lot of difference. Can you name one difference? One difference? Yes. There are many fields open. Okay. Jungles also. And animals. Yes. Okay. Houses. Huts. Okay, and the houses over there are made mostly of? No, they are huts, but what are they made of? Wooden and mud houses. Yes, like here the houses are made of what? What are these houses made of? Cement and what are they called? Eeta. What is eeta called? What are Eta? What is Eta called in English?
Stone is
Stone is pathar. It is called, can you spell, no, it starts with B. Have you heard of it? No. A red color, Eta, red color. Yes, they are called bricks. What are they called? Bricks. I'm sure you know how to spell bricks. B-R-I, bricks. C-K-S. What are they called? Bricks. And bricks, do you find them just like this anywhere?
No.
They are made. Yes, and they are made in a special kind of furnace. You know what is furnace? Bhatti. Yes, they are called kilns, brick kilns, K-L-I-N-S, kilns, where these bricks are made. Now here the houses are made of cement, bricks and all, but there they are made of mud. Yes, and country life, that means country means villages, life in villages and towns is very different. Yes, the village in which you went to a village? Was there electricity? No? Your village had electricity? It had. Yours? No. It had? What about your village? It had electricity? You know what is electricity now? Yes? It had? No. So some villages have electricity, some don't have. And were there schools in the village? Yes? Many? Few. Maybe in her village there was only one school. Yes? Were there any hotels?
No.
Restaurants?
No.
You know what are restaurants?
No. No, auntie.
You know restaurants? Nahi hote na? But do you? Small what? What are they called? They are not called restaurants. Hota hai? Hotel. In villages. Dhaba. Small places where you get things to eat like tea. Yes, bread. Yes, these things. But yes, but in the towns, cities are also called towns. What are they called? Towns. Cities are also called towns, and villages are also called country. Yes. So you have restaurants where you go inside and you sit on a chair and then you order and you eat. Yes. But in villages it's like dhabas they have. Yes. So there is a lot of difference between towns and villages. There are so many other facilities that you have. You know what are facilities? Suvidhaएं. Very good. Can you spell facilities? Facilities. C-I-L. Are very good. T-I-E-S. Means more than one. And this is F-A-C-I-L-I-T-Y. What you said was correct. This means one, na? And E-S means many. See how good she is writing down. Good girl. Okay. So there are many facilities that you have in towns. But in villages, limited. Some facilities you have. Yes? So you like to live in a village or a...
City.
You like city life more? Both. Why do you like it more? Why do you like city life more? City. No, you like villages more? Both. Which life do you like better? Villages?
No,
City. You? Okay. She likes villages. You get so many things to eat. Yes, vegetables and fruits. And oh, that is why you like villages. Oh, very good, because your grandparents stay there. Cows and all. You like those things? Yes. But in cities also you have these. But why do you like villages more?
Auntie, mango.
Because? Yes, listen to her. Because? Why do you like villages more? Huh? You can get these things easily. आसानी से मिल जाता है ये. Then she says there are so many fruits. Huh? Say it. I'll help you.
My grandfather has work.
Your grandfather worked hard. Where does he work hard? In the field. In the fields. Yes. The tree.
My grandmother.
Yes. Grandmother. She's called a grandmother. Field.
Tree.
There are trees in grandmother's field. Yes. Fruits are there. Oh, so you like to play there, isn't it? Go and climb the trees. Yes, that's why she likes villages. She enjoys more. Yes? You like? Yes. Huh? Oh, she swims. There, do you do it? Oh yes, have a bath. You get lots of milk there? Yes, that's right. Good. Yes. Just a minute. Huh? Yes. Pond what? Snake. Yes, there are. No, but she must be swimming. You know, there's in that small water filled. Yes. Yes, and you swim. Very brave. Yes, and what do the fishes do to you? Nothing. What do the fishes do to you? Nothing. You swim. Oh, very good. You learnt swimming over there only, in the village. Very good. See, you can learn so many things also. Nobody taught her. She learned how to swim. All right. Now here, children, this is a, girls, pay attention. Now this is a small poem. Yes, it is about, they will tell you what is there in town and what is there in village. Yes? So I'll just read it out to you. It's a poem. You know what is a poem? What is a poem? Is there a difference between a poem and a story? What is the difference? Long and poems are, they are written in short sentences. Yes, the sentences are quite short. Yes, and you enjoy reading poems? Yes or no? All right. So now there is a child. You know who a child is? Child means bacha. Now he is saying, my home is in the busy town. Busy town means? Towns, you see, everybody is busy, na? Somebody is doing something, somebody is going, somebody is walking, somebody is doing something, and everybody seems to be busy. And where people work all day, everybody is working in cities, the motors rush along the street. Motors means? Rush means? Stays. Yes, they are rushing along because everybody is in a hurry. What does hurry mean? Jaldi mein. Can you spell hurry for me? Yes, everybody is in a hurry to reach somewhere. कहीं पहुंचने के लिए. So motors are rushing. There is no room to play. Yes, there is no room to play. Means, what does this mean? There is no room to play. See here, room, you are right, it means kamra, but here it means there is no place. Jagah nahi hai. Supposing I say I want to, if I tell you that listen, keep this in your bag. Supposing I tell you, listen, keep this please, Rani, what? Keep this in your bag. You can tell me, Auntie, I have no room. It means आपके पास जगह नहीं है. So in the poem it's written, there is no room to play. There is no place to play. But there's a Park. Because, see, there is a, Okay. Are you sleeping? No, she's not. Okay. So there is no room to play. Because, why have they written this? Because in villages you can play anywhere, isn't it? You can run on the streets. There is no fear of cars coming or any kind of vehicles. What are vehicles? Vehicles means cars, motors, all those are vehicles. Auto rickshaw, cycle, everything. Buses, they are all called, what are they called? Vehicles. Which means everything. Can you spell? This is difficult. Let me see. No, vehicles. Ickles. Very good. Oh, very good. Good girls. How nicely you spelled. Okay. So there are no vehicles. People can play anywhere. Children can play anywhere. But in cities, can you play out on the street? No. Because cars pass by, so many things pass by, so accidents can happen. Isn't it? So, but in villages you can play anywhere. That is why it's written in the poem, but there is a park. Can you see parks around? Parks, you see children playing over there in the park. But there's a park where after school we jump and shout and run. The child is saying this. Because after school, when our school gets over, what do? We play over there. We jump. Jump means shout and run. And though it's small and crowded, we have a lot of fun. The park, because so many children are playing in the park, it may be small, the park may be small, and crowded means crowded. Yes. What does crowd mean? No, crowd. Crowd. What does crowd mean? C-R-out. O. Crowd. What does crowd mean? There is a lot of crowd on the street. What will you understand? Street means, what does street mean? Sadak? Yes? There is a lot of crowd on the street. क्या कहते? बहुत सारे लोग. Very good. भीड़. Yes? So the park may be small, it may be crowded. Yes? बहुत भीड़. But the children have fun. Fun, you know? Yes? Now the country child. The child from the country. Country means here? Village. Yes, it means desh, but here it means village. So, my home is in a village small. A village which is small. My wheat fields all around. Wheat fields. What is wheat? Wheat. What do you grow on the fields? What is it that you grow in the villages? Anaj. And what is wheat? Wheat. Which anaj is it? Wheat. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. What is wheat, you know? Very good. Gehu. So, all around you see the wheat fields in the villages. My father works from morning till evening. So, the child is saying that my father, where does the father work? In the fields. From morning till the evening, my father is working in the fields. Tilling the dusty ground. What does tilling mean? Very good. खेत जोतना नहीं कहते हैं? Yes. So the farmer. What is this child's father? He's a farmer. Farmer means kisan. And the whole day, from morning till the evening, he is working in the field. Doesn't it happen in villages? People go out to work and then in the evening they come back. Yes? So the farmer is also, the child's father is also a farmer. He is working in the fields. What is he doing? He is tilling the ground. Tilling, what does this mean? jotna. Khodna, jotna, he is tilling the ground and the dusty ground. What does dusty mean? Dusty, dust. What does dust mean? Dust. There is lot of dust on the table. Dhool. Very good. What does dust mean? Dhool. Yes, can you spell dust? D-U-S-T. There is lot of, you can say there is lot of dust on the table. Yes, this means dhool. So, the dusty ground means dhool se bhari hui. Yes, but when the fierce sun sets at last, fierce sun, fierce, what does fierce mean? What does fierce mean? Fierce sun, tez. Here it means tez. Yes, so tez dhoop, when the sun sets, sets means? Suraj डूबना. Yes, सूर्यास्त बोलते हैं. So when the sun sets, we sit beneath a tree. Beneath a tree, beneath, what does this mean? पेड़ के नीचे. Beneath, there is another word for beneath, पेड़ के नीचे. Which is that word? Beneath the tree. No, that is true. Very good. Who said? Under the tree. I sat under the tree. Yes, beneath the tree, under the tree. Yes, to get some shade. Because the sun is very, very fierce. Yes, it's so fierce. When the sun is in the summers, do you like the heat? You don't like it, no? The sun is really shining on your head. And the heat is so much that you don't like it. But when the fierce sun sets at last, we sit beneath a tree. The old men talk, the young men sing. How happy then are we? You understand? How the old men, what do? Have you seen in the villages? They sit in a group. They sit in a circle and they talk. Yes? And what else do they do? Can you tell me? They talk and sing. The young men do this too. Why do they sing? That is their. What do you do to entertain yourself? What do you do? At home, what do you do sometimes when you just want to sit and जब हैप्पी होते हैं तो घर में भी क्या करते हैं? गाना भी गा लेते हैं, किताब भी पढ़ लेते हैं. TV, if you have TV, you sit and watch TV. You know, just to entertain. But in villages, everything is not there. All facilities are not there. Yes? Story, very good. They tell stories to each other. Yes? And they sing songs. And the old people, what do? They sit and they talk and, generally smoke also. Have you seen them smoking? What do they smoke? Chillam, yes? And cigarette. And there is another thing, bidi. Yes? Hookah. Yes? That is what they do. And how happy. And there also. That's not a good thing, isn't it? Achha, but here, yes, they do. But here, what do? They are not unhappy in villages. Don't think that people living in villages are unhappy. They are happy. Whatever they have, they entertain themselves with it. They are happy with whatever they have. Achha, tell me one thing, have you read poems in Hindi? Have you read poems? Poems, have you read Hindi? English?
Yes.
You have read poems? Read?
Yes.
Yes? What do you find? What is so very, very, something that really you know that this is a poem? What is it? No, I'm saying poem jab aap padhte hain. No, there is something which makes it sound very much like a poem. Sometimes poems have it, sometimes they don't. I'm reading these two lines. We sit beneath a tree. Okay, just listen to me. We sit beneath a tree. The old men talk. The young men sing. How happy then are we? What is the sound of the... No? Tree, we, Doesn't it sound the same? The sound is the same, words are different. So in poems, many times rhyming words are used. You know what are rhyming words? Rhyming, see, I'll tell you. How can you spell? I'll spell R-H-Y-M-I-N-G. Rhyming words. What are rhyming words? They sound the same. Spelling is different, meaning is different, but they sound the same. For example, box, fox. You understand?
Yes.
Sun, bun, run. Yes? Can you give me one rhyming word? Think quickly. Give me one word. Huh? Song and? Say it. Song and long. Yes. Song and long. Very good. Huh? Cat at mat. Yes. Yes. Huh? No, not long and short. Song and long is fine that you said. Come on. Some and come. Huh? Say. Huh? Go went is not rhyming. They are not sounding the same. Sun bun. Huh? Run fun. Huh? No, they are not rhyming. They are not rhyming. Huh? Come and some you said. Huh? Sunny and bunny. Very good. Sunny and bunny. Yes. Okay. Give me a rhyming word for under. No. Very good. Under and wonder. Very good. Yes. Not underful is no word. And give me a rhyming word for bring. Ring. Yes. 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 King. Yes. Sing. Yes. Huh? Kind and? Find. Very good. Kind, find. This is no word. Okay. So land, what is the rhyming word for land? Land. Huh? No. Say it. Land and bench you said. So it is correct. Stand. Yes. Okay. No. Huh? These are names. Alright. Now, when you come, no, Rani Raja is not. When you come the next time, I am going to ask each one of you one word and you will make a sentence also. Alright. Next time if you, listen to me, when you come, think of a rhyming word, okay? And I am going to ask you to make sentence also. So think of it. Only one sentence each of you will make with a rhyming word. Alright? Huh? No, don't talk to each other about it. Just think. Don't talk with each other at all.